Daimabad we have seen what? Butt and chariot. So Daima is sitting on chariot and it is pulled by whom? Butt. So Daimabad, and then which one? Bronze, buffalo, elephant, rhinos, tiger through the copper, and chariot it is copper. Is it okay? And in the Lothal may we have seen copper made, dog was made up of copper, and then bull, it is bronze made in the what? Mohenjo-daro. Is it okay? It is also there. Thereafter हमने क्या देखा? टेराकोटा. सबसे ज्यादा टेराकोटा में क्या दिखा हमें? मदर गॉडेस, and then twice, and thereafter we have been able to see seal. It is Pasupati and all. Is it okay? So we have seen which civilization? Harappan civilization. And then now we are going to see the Mauryan civilization period. Mauryan civilization period sculpture. Bronze. B for bull, B for मेरे साथ बोलेंगे. परखम. परखम. प्रथम नहीं, परखम. PARKHM. परखम. Near Mathura, Vidisha in MP. Which are the name I said that? Parkham, Vidisha, and Patna Museum. And thereafter I said that in the Patna, Lohanipur. Which one? Which are the four I said? Parkham, Vidisha, Patna Museum, Lohanipur. In Patna itself. Which are the four I said? Parkham, Vidisha, Patna Museum, and Patna में लोहानीपुर. मेरे साथ बोलेंगे यक्ष, यक्षिणी, चौरी bearer. What are the name I said that? Yaksh, yakshini, chowri bearer, male nude figure. Male nude figure. Again क्या क्या बोला मैंने? यक्ष, यक्षिणी, चौरी bearer, bearer, BARER, chowri bearer, and then male nude figure. I said this is, I said that what? Near Mathura, Parkham, Vidisha, and this is what I said that Patna. Yes or not? And Patna में दो, Patna Museum and Patna लोहानीपुर. यहाँ पर यक्ष, यस पहले भी मैंने बताया हुआ. यहाँ पे किसका स्कल्पचर मिला? यक्ष. And there it is in Vidisha में यक्षिणी. Yes or not? ये तो समझ में आ गया. These are the what I said that male and female who is preserving and protecting the what? Natural resources and the giver of natural resources. Is it okay? Yaksh and yakshini. And here we have been able to see चौरी bearer. जब राजा लोग बैठे रहते थे तो बगल से क्या करते रहते थे? One it is I said that in the hand ऐसे ऐसे. Yes, this is chowri bearer. The one in the Patna Museum, there is an I said that chowri bearer. Yes, Patna Museum में क्या है? What is there? Yes. और अगला आ रहा है मेल जो लोहा है. I said that in Patna, लोहानीपुर में male nude figure और यहाँ पे चौरी bearer. सारे याद हो गए? So which are I said that? Tell me. Yaksh, yakshini, chowri bearer, and then male nude figure. Yes or not? So these are I said that what? हम लोग अब कौन सा देख रहे हैं? स्कल्पचर ऑफ मौर्यन एम्पायर, स्कल्पचर ऑफ or it is considered then a golden age because at that time the real sculpture has been grown. Yes or not? And then one we have been able to see which figure? Human figure. Another I said that एनिमल फिगर. मेरे साथ बोलेंगे सारनाथ. शायद आप लोग ने किया हुआ है. यस, सारनाथ, लौरिया अरे नंदनगढ़, लौरिया अरेराज, रामपुरवा. याद आ रहा है कुछ? सारनाथ, लौरिया अरेराज, लौरिया नंदनगढ़, रामपुरवा, लुम्बिनी. Then I have said that Meerut, Delhi Topra, Sankisa. Perhaps all of you remember. These are the pillars. And pillars पे क्या था? Animal figures. Yes. तो पहले हम लोग देख रहे हैं human figures. And human figures में which one you have seen? यक्षा. And कहाँ पे था? मथुरा परखम. दिख रहा है आपको? मथुरा, यक्षिणी, Vidisha district MP. Thereafter we have seen Chauri, Berar, and it is in a Patna museum. And then in the Patna, which one? I said that male nude sculpture, and it is I said that लोहानीपुर. और मेल जो होता है वो लोहे की तरह मजबूत होता है, इसलिए लोहानी. यू कैन रिमेंबर. एंड दैट इज पटना. इज इट ओके? कैन यू रिमेंबर? सो दीज आर द ह्यूमन फिगर्स. क्लियर? एंड इन द पिलर्स, और पिलर्स में आपने क्या देखा था? यस टेल मी. 4 cardinal direction. Abacus was there. Yes, and a pillar. Inverted lotus. All of you remember, na? 50 feet around what? Pillars, monolithic. Inverted lotus. Abacus, जहां पे behel, BHL याद है? And then I said that bull, elephant, horse, lion. और इनके बीच में क्या था abacus में? धर्म चक्र, 24 spokes. और उसके above crowning animals. Yes or not? And then Sarnath में there is a 4 lions cardinal direction में. 4 cardinal direction. फोर कार्डिनल डायरेक्शन में क्या देखा आपने? लाइन्स इन विच रीजन? सारनाथ. फिर उसके बाद आपको याद हो लौरिया अरेराज एंड लौरिया नंदनगढ़. एंड व्हाट इज देयर? लायन, सिंगल लायन. यस और नॉट? यहां पे कितने लायंस है? 4 लायंस इन द सारनाथ. देयर आफ्टर याद हो राम जी किस पर बैठे थे? रामपुरवा. इट इज व्हाट? बुल. एंड देन उसके बाद एनिमल के लिए देखा जाए तो संकिसा. और किसको किस कर रहे थे? एलिफेंट. विच वन? एलिफेंट. और यदि आप भुवनेश्वर के पास चले जाएंगे तो वहां पे एक धौली जगह है जहां पे एक एलिफेंट का बहुत बड़ा फिगर. इट इज नॉट ऑन द पिलर बट रॉक को काटकर बनाया गया है. यस और नॉट? रॉक हैज बीन कट एंड इट हैज बीन मेड. Sankisa, here it is. Yes, and there is at Dhauli near what? Bhubaneswar. I said that which one? Elephant. ये सारे किस पर हैं? पिलर्स पर। क्राउनिंग एनिमल्स और ये रॉक काट करके एलिफेंट इट हैज बीन मेड इन द लार्जर फिगर. Is it okay? Clear? So, is it clear to you? And this is, I said that perhaps all of you know that it is in a Sarnath is in UP, and the Lauria Ariraj, Lauria Nandangarh and Rampurwa is in Bihar. Sankisa is in a Mathura में है तो वहाँ पर आप UP, and then याद है ना सारे picture? And then Dholi Bhubaneswar. Is this clear? Is it okay to you? So these are the things that we have seen. I said that sculpture and then golden age, that the realme sculpture has started forming during the period of, I said that, Mauryas. Understood it? Understood? And thereafter we have to see which one? Post Mauryan. And कल से मैं 9 बजकर नहीं बनाना है,